I'm Dr. Thompson, Akwo, Ntuba, the Chief Editor of Health and Development magazine. I'm right down here, downtown, the city of San Antonio. Today, the 9th, Tuesday, 25 December. And I have been talking to people about the leadership of the city of San Antonio, especially during this time when we are also doing the lights and sounds of Christmas 2025. My interest is as we begin to put the resources on advising mayors and Ron Nuremberg, who took over from Taylor. And what he did during the three terms, 2 year each. That is complete 6 years. Now, Ron is running for uh, the Bexar County uh, Commissioner's or Judge's office, and it's very very interesting to know that the present county leader of Bexar seem to be doing a great job. So it's going to be an uphill task, but don't count Ron Nuremberg out of it, because right in here in the city hall, he did great for him to have been elected 3 times, even though each term is too short. 2 years is not the same as 4 years a term. We had the same situation in Houston until recently when there were changes and it was moved from 2 year terms to 4 year terms. And Sylvester Turner uh, was the first to run the 4 year terms, and he had 8 years, 2 4 year term limit, and after which he became a congressman, and he was in Congress for just close to 3 months, and then he died. So that is part of what is found in what we call advising mayors